In today's video, I just wanted to share with you some insane features you can do with ChatGPT desktop version. So you can connect applications in an MCP way. So you can connect Visual Studio Code, you can connect your terminal and ask to apply changes. So you can, once you connect Visual Studio Code, for instance, you can ask, please apply all changes into my code base, and then it will automatically apply the changes into, you see, your code base. It can read whatsoever, it can do everything just by connecting, and you need also this extension. The ChatGPT work with code on macOS. This VS Code extension will allow ChatGPT to write code into your code base to read it. And so in my case, I toggle on the auto apply code. Something else now that is super handy with the connectors. So you have connectors here, and with the connectors you can connect Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive Works School, that's fine. But also with the Pro version, since August 13, you can also connect Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Contacts. But for that, you need the Pro version at the moment, and you can ask ChatGPT to summarize your emails. You can ask to, like here, write an update with the latest details of an executive update. You can ask based on the connected apps you have. You can ask a bunch of different tasks, really like an assistant, like a virtual assistant. You can also ask to summarize everything. If you're a product owner, for instance, just ask everything you have been shipping for the last 2 weeks across, your email, like all of the data you have connected. So there is like PR description, so pull request. If you connect some kind of relevant data into it, it will be able to detect the pull request, design docs, everything else, spec files. You can also ask for an analyst report. And similarly, you can ask for a follow-up. You can ask to summarize your last 5 emails. You can ask to what meetings you have today based on your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar. And that's super helpful because you don't have to connect to Gmail, you don't have to connect to Outlook. It will read for you exactly like a virtual assistant, and it will let you know. And similarly, when you have the desktop app, here we do save changes. When you have the desktop app, thanks to our ChatGPT work with code, it will be able to read your code base and to apply the changes. You can also connect your terminal, for instance, and so similarly, you can do tasks in connection with your terminal, and that's super handy for efficiency. And this way, you are really the pilot. You are not working in your work. You have more an approach way where you don't work in your business but on your business. You don't work in your tasks but on your tasks. You have a global view of what needs to be done, because ChatGPT will do the rest. So thanks to this, you will be able to get things done much quicker.